Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable block ping request in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is ready before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Run and press Enter. This will bring up the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to access various system settings and programs. In the Run dialog box, type firewall.cpl and hit Enter. This is the fastest way to access your firewall settings directly without having to navigate through multiple menus. The Windows Defender Firewall window will now open, giving you access to all your firewall configurations. Within the firewall window, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. This option allows you to control how your firewall behaves on different network types, which is essential for managing ping requests. From here, you'll see two separate firewall settings displayed on your screen. One is for your public network, and the other is for your private network. These settings control how your computer responds to incoming connections and requests depending on which type of network you're connected to. To disable the block ping request on your Windows 11 PC, simply turn both of these settings off. Click the radio button next to turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both the private network settings and the public network settings. This action will allow ping requests to reach your computer without being blocked by the firewall. Once you've turned off both firewall settings, click OK to save your changes. Your system will now accept ping requests from other devices on the network. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the block ping request feature on your Windows 11 computer by turning off the Windows Defender Firewall for both network types. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.